Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tabitha, and today we are going to talk about market capitalization. Has you been trying to be trader or investor? So you will normally hear the word market capitalization. What does it really mean? And why do you need to know what is market capitalization? So let's get into the slides and see how this one is really useful for you as a trader or investor. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe for more videos and I will appreciate your business. So now let's look at what are the agendas of today and the end goal for this video. So number one is what is market capitalization. So we are going to define what is market capitalization. Another one is important of market capitalization. Another one is type of market caps. And the next one, how to calculate market capitalization. And then let's go ahead and continue. What is market capitalization? The market capitalization is the total dollar value of publicly traded company outstanding shares of the stocks. So this is how you can tell what size is this company is based on the dollar value. So that's what it is. The next thing will be important of market cap. So why do people want to know the market cap in dollar value? So it determines the company size. So based on the dollar value, you can tell if the company is small cap, large cap, or all these other type of market caps that we have. So let's see assess its risk profile. So if the company is making little money or the market cap is very little, you know this company is not well established, and you will realize that this is maybe a small cap or maybe medium cap, and you might not be interested in investing in that company. So that's why it is important for you to know market cap and decide what type of companies you want to invest in. Is it large companies, mega companies, or small cap companies, and why? So that's the reason why we are learning this today. So you have to be able to know or decide why you want to buy certain companies. Used to compare companies to other is used to compare other companies with a company to other companies. So this help you to see if it's mega company or large cap company or medium cap company, and why will you want to invest in it. So another one will be type of market cap. So market caps come in different forms. So there's one that is called mega cap. So this one range from 200 billions or more. So that is what we call mega cap. Another one is called large cap. So most of the companies that people trade or invest in, especially the value companies, are in the category of large cap company. So this one range between 10 billion to 200 billion. Another one will be mid cap. So mid cap companies range between 2 billion to 10 billions. And we continue with the type of market cap. Another one will be small cap. So small cap range between the 250 million to 2 billions. So most of the time people who are doing day trading, they like small cap company because they move a lot. Some of them are startup companies, and they don't have that much history, and they move a lot because they have higher risk than the large cap company. So that's another reason why you will want to know what type of market cap does that company has. So if the company is small cap, is higher risk than the large cap company, because most of the large cap companies they have well-established business and they have been in business for a while. That doesn't mean that they might not get out of business, because there are other factors that might contribute to their collapse. So it really depends. But in the comparison of one company to another, so larger cap companies might have less risk than the small cap companies. So the next one will be micro caps companies. So micro caps companies is under 250 million. So and then the last one is nano caps. So the nano caps is less than 50 million. So those are even higher risk than the rest of the group. So let's see, how do you now then calculate this one? So how do you calculate it? So you calculate by taking the current share price multiply by the total number of outstanding shares. So that give you market cap. So you take the price that the company is trading currently times the total number of the outstanding shares, and it will give you how big or small that company is. So my favorite example is always Bank of Montreal. So if you look at the summary of this Bank of Montreal, where will you really allocate market cap? So where do you check it? So when you come down here, you will see this is the market cap intraday. So it's 94.05, so billion dollars. So where do you think the Bank of Montreal fall into? Large cap, mega cap, or small cap companies? So since it range between them, it's in between the 10 billion to 100 billion. So this one fall into large cap companies. So this is where you will see the large cap companies. So this is the current price. If you take this current price and then you go into a statistic, you will find the number of the outstanding shares. And then when you take that number, multiply times this, you will get this number. So let's see how it works. So this is the BMO income statement and share statistics. So when you check the share statistic, if you take this number, so this number is maybe inflated. So it's not like really give you the accurate number. So you get the implied share outstanding number, which is 718 0.77 million. So this is the outstanding shares that BMO have in the market. So if you take that number times the current share price of BMO, which is 130.8 during the time that this video was made, so you will get the market cap, which is 94.05 billion dollars. So BMO fall under the large cap company. So I hope this one really makes sense. And if you hear next time that market cap, you will really understand what we mean by market cap. So this is how you now calculate it with the numbers, and you get 94.05 billion dollars. So that is this is the dollar value of this company that is publicly traded on the stock market. So BMO is 94.05 billion dollars. So it's a big company, it's the well-established companies, and most people invest in it. Other people can trade it too. So it just depends on what you want and how you do it. So that's what it is for today, and that's how you calculate market cap. So next time when I talk about market cap, I hope you will understand and know even how to spot it on the statistic of that company. If you use Yahoo Finance and Google that company, you will see that information. And now you have started to understand how you use the numbers. So market cap, you can find it on that Summary page, front. So if you like this video and you have learned something from this video, can you please subscribe for more video, and I will appreciate your business. Thank you.